Introducing the Tamp D335 fully automatic tyre changer, featuring a lower and stronger composite body, equipped with support functions to accommodate a variety of wheel sizes. Firstly, the old tyre is deflated and positioned alongside the machine, where the outer arm is used to break the bead of the tyre. This process is repeated twice on both sides of the tyre. The jaws are manually adjusted and then opened to fit the rim of the wheel, which is elevated with the wheel lift, moved over the roller and into position, where it is clamped into place by closing the jaws again. The horizontal arm is then pulled forward, lowered with the movement control, and then locked into position, where the demount head shifts slightly away to avoid contact. The tyre bead is then rolled over the demount head and rotated to gradually demount the inner side of the tyre. The help mount is then raised to elevate the tyre, which is then rotated again to demount the outer side. The horizontal arm is then raised, allowing the old tyre to be removed and replaced with a new tyre. Then the arm is lowered again and the rim is rotated to shift the tyre into position, where the upper arm of the help mount is lowered to the rim, gradually fitting the tyre as it rotates. Once fitted, the inflation hose is connected to the valve of the tyre, where it is then inflated to the correct pressure. The tyre is now changed and ready for use.